the Photoshop project. So our project in Photoshop is sort of the capstone project for this Photoshop unit. I have here the project and wanted to describe exactly what the requirements are. So at the top you notice there are some goals, and those are directly from the course learning objectives that were taken off of the syllabus. So you can read through those. The Photoshop project is this. You've been hired to create a promotional poster. As a designer, you should show some evidence of investigation in the topic for which your poster is about. It's vital to demonstrate exploration in the software. The learning objectives listed in the rubric, which we'll look at in a moment, will assess your knowledge and working skill with Adobe Photoshop. Remember, you need to save often as you progress through this project. I can't stress that enough. Save often. So here's the overall scope of this project. You are going to create a poster, and the poster will be 8.5 by 11, a CMYK document at 150 dpi. You're going to use your knowledge of Photoshop color techniques to adjust color in the image, incorporate typography, and add a gradient. So you have to include the gradient, you have to include typography, and I want you to utilize layers in an organized way. Compose 5 individual elements from various sources. So these could be copyright-free, royalty-free images. They could be your own photography. They could be your own sketches. They could be your own artwork. The key here is seamless blending, and if you're going to incorporate images, make sure that your lighting source and shadows match. Your final Photoshop document, your .psd, will be uploaded to the Photoshop project Dropbox in D2L. Be sure to also upload any source files that you may have used during this project. You will present this project in discussions. I would encourage you to submit early to get feedback.